Most people panic the moment they lose a gift card, but here's the truth no one tells you. A lost or stolen vanilla gift card is not always gone forever. But what you do in the first few minutes matters more than anything. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to do if your vanilla gift card is lost or stolen in 2026, how to try recovering the balance, and how to avoid making mistakes that permanently lock your funds. Let's get straight into it. First, understand something important. Vanilla gift cards are prepaid cards. That means they are treated like cash. So if someone uses them before you report them, that money is usually gone. But here's where it gets interesting. If you act fast and your card was registered or has transaction protection, you might still recover it. Now step 1 is simple but critical. Immediately check your card status online if you still have the card number or a receipt. Sometimes people like Alex think they've lost everything, but the card is just misplaced at home or still partially unused. But here's the problem. If the card is truly stolen, time is your biggest enemy. You need to contact Vanilla Gift Card customer support right away. Look for the official number on the back of the card, or the issuing website. Do not wait until the next day. When you contact support, be ready to provide the card number, purchase receipt, and any activation details. This helps them check if the card has been used. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some vanilla gift cards can be frozen if they have not been fully spent. That means any remaining balance may still be protected. But this is not guaranteed, so speed is everything. Next, if you registered your card online with a zip code and billing information, you have a slightly better chance of tracking activity or disputing unauthorized transactions. That's why registration is so important, even though many users skip it. Let's talk about prevention for a moment. John, for example, buys a vanilla gift card and immediately registers it online. Later, when he misplaces it, he can still contact support with full details. Meanwhile, Jake never registers his card and loses it, making recovery almost impossible. That difference is huge. Another key step is checking where you last used or stored the card. Many lost cards are actually just stored in wallets, drawers, or used partially online and forgotten. If support confirms the card was already fully used, unfortunately there is usually no refund. But if there is remaining balance and fraud is detected early, they may escalate it for review. So, here is the final takeaway. Always act fast, always contact support, and always register your gift card immediately after purchase. These 3 steps decide whether you lose money or recover it. To wrap it up, a lost or stolen vanilla gift card is serious, but not always hopeless. Speed, documentation, and registration are your best protection. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more real-world gift card fixes in 2026.